We got a new robot vacuum. Here is the unboxing of Haier TL30U1. The host, 7.6 centimeters, ultra-thin design with the pure white appearance. The manual, detailed description of the product. The charging dock. The cleaning tool, remove hairs from the side brush. The charging cable. Remote control, designed for children and the elderly, easy to use. Water tank filters and the remote control battery. Power button, long press to switch on. Recharge button, short press to recharge. $300 milliliters dustbin, only needs cleaning every week. HEPA filter, able to remove dust down to 0.3 microns, reducing secondary contamination. Extended bilateral brushes, to reach the best cleaning efficiency. Microfiber mop cloths, easily to clean any stains on the floor.